If you're planning on starting a digital agency in 2025 or looking for some fresh ideas to offer to your clients, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some practical ideas that will help you make more money and go beyond starting yet another SEO or advertising agency. Hey, I'm Dennis Graham. I run a web scraping company called Botster, helping businesses automate data scraping and web monitoring. This year, we've tested all kinds of business models, so everything I'm sharing today comes straight from what I've seen and learned personally. By the end of this video, you'll have 4 solid business ideas you can use to start an agency, expand your services, or offer as freelance gigs. This channel is all about growth tips, business ideas, and automation recipes. Like and subscribe for support. Let's go. Let's start with AI, specifically generative AI. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Jesus Christ, not AI again. Trust me, I get it, and I'm also tired of the hype, but AI sells incredibly well, and it would be crazy not to take advantage of it. Plus, I'm going to suggest a twist on the idea that will add to its value and will help you stand out from the crowd, so bear with me. It's only been a couple of years since the release of ChatGPT, and what do we have now? We've got automated customer service, product descriptions, personalized marketing campaigns, graphics, optimized logistics. I mean, it's everywhere. We use AI every day at my company to write code, create blogs, and scrape the web. We're also using it on the data we scrape from the web for translation into other languages, summarization, or formatting. So, to sum up, AI offers tons of possibilities, yet most businesses still have no idea where to start. Why? Simple. They just don't have the time and the knowledge. That's it. You can't expect the management of some random dental clinic to suddenly wake up one morning and say, hey, you know what? Let's implement AI, shall we? No. And this is where you can step in. If you can identify a business's common pain points and match them with AI tools to solve those problems, you've got a valuable service to offer. You can combine no-code tools like Botster, Make, and Zapier with ChatGPT or Claude to help your clients improve their workflows and save them a ton of time. For example, you could automate their emails or organize their customer data, freeing up employees from dumb repetitive tasks so they can focus on stuff that's actually useful. If you go on YouTube, there are tons of content creators promoting their AI automation agencies and showing how to automate processes of varying complexities. However, what I've noticed is that none of them are focusing on a specific industry. They're going after everyone with no particular focus. What you need to do is pick a niche, create a basic offer for that niche, and start your outreach. Construction, rental, dental, and so on. All of them have specific processes that can be optimized and maintained. Yes, you need to understand the niche before diving into it, but that's a topic for a separate video, which I'm planning on making one day, so subscribe if you don't want to miss that. We've already seen integrators that specialize in setting up CRM systems or accounting software earning millions of dollars doing that. These businesses range from massive companies such as Salesforce to smaller teams of 2-3 people or even solo freelancers, and most of them work on a subscription model. I'm convinced we're going to see the same trend with AI integrators. This is already a huge opportunity for anyone who can help businesses figure out how to apply this tech to their processes. Now let's talk about short-form video, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. I personally know several entrepreneurs who sold their current businesses and went all in on short-form content creation because according to them, the demand is insane. So what's the deal with these short-form videos? Why do businesses love them? Well, they're easy to share across platform, the number of which is increasing by the way. They're quicker to produce than long-form videos. They don't require additional editing for repurposing, and perfect for viewers who just want quick, bite-sized content. They grab attention and algorithms love them. And even though the demand for these videos is huge, most agencies and freelancers have little to no idea how to make a really good short-form video. But they still charge an arm and a leg, and I'm speaking from personal experience here. which means that quality services at reasonable prices have huge potential with the right marketing. Yes, there's already a ton of software out there that can generate short-form videos automatically. And you might think video agencies are becoming obsolete because of that, but this actually works to their advantage, and here's why. Personal experience. I've been using Opus Clip recently, and it's amazing at quickly turning my long-form videos into shorts and even add my captions automatically for me. By the way, I'm not getting paid to say any of this, it's just a really cool tool. But even with tools like these, you still have to spend time scripting, filming, reviewing, editing, uploading, writing descriptions, and analyzing performance. Creating even a few videos per week is a lot of work. Posting once or twice a day, as most marketing influencers recommend, is nearly impossible without help, and no single tool can handle everything. And even if there were such a tool, imagine if everyone starts using it. All the content would begin to look the same, and you would end up right back at square one, being average again. So what can you offer? You can build an agency that manages the entire short video process, from creating content to distributing it. Clients will pay you for the convenience, expertise, and time savings. I've worked both solo and with agencies, and trust me, I know the difference. The kind of work a great agency can do is impossible to pull off solo, no matter what tools you're using. My next idea is also related to content, but it's all about repurposing what you already have. Everyone's focused on building their personal brand right now. I mean, this is why I'm here, which means the demand for content is bigger than ever. If you've ever tried growing a brand's page on social media, you know how difficult that is. Even with a solid team, posting 2 or 3 high-quality pieces of content daily, at one point, coming up with original content constantly becomes a huge problem, and that's where content repurposing comes in. For example, maybe a client has a long video or a bunch of blog posts. You could turn that into social media posts, short videos, infographics, or even a podcast and put it on Spotify. Repurposing content helps spread their message further and makes their existing work much more impactful. I see it like recycling. After the party, we've left with a couple of pizza slices, 2 cans of beers, and a couple of air balloons. I mean, that's more than enough for another party if you ask me. It's the same with content. You have to keep using it until it's completely done for, because nobody has the energy to create new content all the time unless you have a team of, 40 people like Alex Hormozi or Gary Vee. Here's an example. If a company has a 30-minute long webinar recording, you could break it into short clips for social media, turn it into a blog post, a LinkedIn slideshow, and create a series of email newsletters. There are already tons of online tools that can help you with this. You just need to streamline the process and look over it. The goal here is simple. Take what they already created and make it work harder for them. The next big opportunity is online courses and guides. I see many people who are growing their online followings trying to figure out how to turn their expertise into something they can sell or use to create extra income streams. You know, dreaming of passive income that doesn't exist, by the way. Some already have a course and want to expand into books. Others are selling books but want to create a course. Or maybe they're thinking about launching webinars, workshops, or membership sites. The key is to start with what they already have, and most influencers have tons of content to work with already. Videos, blogs, social media posts can help them take that content and turn it into guides or online courses. It's kind of like content repurposing, but taken to the next level. For example, you could take an influencer's videos or LinkedIn how-to post and turn them into professional step-by-step course. Or if they're an active blogger, you could pull their post together into an ebook or a PDF workbook. Once a course or guide is built, it's easy to sell again and again through their existing audience, whether it's social media followers, email lists, or website traffic. This makes it a scalable business model. If you can find influencers with large followings who haven't tapped into this yet, you've got a high demand service on your hands. And if you're running an agency, you can go even further by helping them market their new product, run ads, set up sales funnels, or manage email campaigns to really get it out there. It's definitely a win-win. The client is getting sales and more brand distribution, and you're getting your RR, which is recurring revenue. All these ideas can be offered right now whether you're working as a freelancer or by creating dedicated landing pages on your agency's website and letting your client base know about those offers. I don't know a single business that would say no to a stronger presence on social media. Like, what are they going to say? More business? Better branding? No thank you? Yeah, right. I'd love to know which idea you think has the most potential. So drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.